Hey guys, welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi and today's video is a review video, and I really think it'll be very useful for all those of you who are facing hair loss, scalp problems, hair thinning and things like that. So just keep watching. So the products I'll be reviewing today are from a brand called Neoxin, which is globally the #1 brand for hair thinning and hair thinning related issues. So these are exclusively available on Purplle.com. I'll share the link in the description box below. I love shopping from Purplle.com. It's a great place to be in. So the first product that I'm going to talk about today is the Neoxin Intensive Treatment Dia Boost. This actually this as well as even the second product of the day, both are to be used directly on the scalp and can be used both by men and women. Just wanted to let you guys know about that as well. So the Neoxin Intensive Treatment Dia Boost, guys, it's like, it's a product which will increase the diameter of the hair. What do I mean by that? Now suppose I take like a single strand of the hair that you guys obviously can't see on the camera. You take a single strand of your hair, and this can be really thin or it can be really thick. Just each single strand of your hair. Now obviously if your hair is thin, it lacks volume, it lacks a feel to it, and it also breaks easily because obviously it's not that strong at the root area. Unfortunately, most of the hair treatments that we do, we focus on the hair length. We don't focus on the scalp, whereas scalp is probably the most important place where you should actually be bothered about, because this is where the hair health is decided, right? So what you basically do is to use this thing, just like section out your hair a little bit and spray this product for a few times, and after spraying the product, just massage it well into the scalp and then move to the next section. So I just make like one section over here and two more sections around here, around two or three more sections around the back area. And this is something which you should ideally use very regularly, either every day or every alternate day. And for all those of you who are wondering, no, this is not something which will make your hair oily or greasy or anything of that sort. It just dissolves or just melts into your scalp and just goes away like that. And it does increase the volume of the hair. Like for example, I have been using this product for about 3.5 weeks now. I don't know if you can tell this on camera yet, but when I put my fingers over here, I can actually feel a difference in the hair texture. I can feel a difference. It feels healthier, it feels stronger, and obviously if the hair volume is more over here, it will translate to bouncier, healthier looking hair, even from this part. So when I'm moving my head, when I'm walking or something, my hair kind of bounces and that feels nice. And next I have with me the Neoxin Scalp Renew, which, like I said, is also a product to be used on the scalp. And by the way, you can use this every single night. You can use this after using this in the morning as well. It does not leave behind anything greasy or anything on your scalp. It just gets absorbed, so it's like totally fine. So what you basically have to do, guys, is again the same thing. Just section out your hair, apply a few drops, massage it well in the scalp, and that's about it. This is something like Scalp Renew, as you might be able to understand by the name itself. It's basically something which improves the health of your scalp. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have any tips, anything to share, please share them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, I would love to get some likes on this video and some new subscriptions to my channel. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And keep coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. So the products I'm going to be the light is too sharp. Okay, somebody has written a comment saying, wow, I like everything. That is so cute. So guys, next I want to talk about a product which is, why is the light is blinking, yeah? See, again it's blinking.